This is a very significant development as far as both ACC as well as Ambuja are concerned. Now remember, both ACC as well as Ambuja share the same parent company, that is Lafarge Holcim, and in fact, what was actually acting as a significant overhang for both of these stocks was the fact that both of these companies that actually pay 1% of their total net sales as a technical and know-how fees or as a royalty fees to the parent Lafarge Holcim. Now this particular agreement that the company had signed back in 2018 was coming to an end, or the agreement term was coming to an end on December 31st, 2020. The speculation in the market was that, there was a likelihood that Lafarge Holcim may likely ask for a higher royalty premium on the back of the fact that Lafarge Holcim tends to get a higher royalty from its subsidiaries in other countries. However, in a board meeting yesterday, both ACC as well as Ambuja cleared the air on this particular development. ACC and Ambuja announced the renewal of the technical know-how fees to the parent Lafarge Holcim at 1% of the total net sales for the next 2 years. Now, the agreement is renewed on the same terms and conditions as exists in the current ongoing agreement that actually expires on December 2020. Now, as per broking firms and as per analysts, this particular announcement clears the overhang on both of the stocks in relation to the speculation on increase in the fees to the parent, and is a significant positive development for both of the stocks. The renewal of the agreement while it is not very significant in terms of the quantum of the cash outflow, the parent's intent was something that was considered as a key concern. In case the royalty had gone higher, analysts believe that it would have been a significant derating event for both of the companies and for the valuation of the stocks. Remember, ACC and Ambuja have significantly underperformed peers, with the stocks falling significantly between 8 to 9% versus the peers Ultratech and Free Cement that have actually been flat or actually moved marginally higher. Also, remember, both of these stocks were also under the radar for the CCI raids in terms of cartelization. Now, when you're talking about this particular development or the history of this particular technical know-how fees, prior to 2013, it wasn't really known as a technical know-how fees, but it used to be charged under varying heads, and at that point it was around 0.5 to 0.7% of sales. In 2013, the board as well as shareholders approved the technical know-how fees at 1% of the total revenues for a period of 5 years, that was from 2013 to 2017. Lafarge Holcim had actually tried to increase the technical know-how fees in 2018. However, in an outburst that was seen from various stakeholders in the company, they were forced to keep it at 1% of the total net sales for a period of 2 more years, and now again they have gone ahead and renewed it for another 2 years. Andy believes that 1% of sales could be close to 4 to 6% of the total forward EBITDA, given the fact that the improved run rate of profitability for both of the companies in terms of the MSA or the Master Supply Agreement that both ACC as well as Ambuja have signed with each other.